topic is grammar. In grammar is tense revisited. Means in class 9 we have learned time and tense. Then this relation tense revisited means it is the relation with class 9 topic time and tense. We last class we have taught time in three types. One is present, another past, another future. Means now, before now, after now. After now. Then now, what do you mean by now? Now means at the moment of speaking. At the moment of speaking. Then when we speak something that is described in the past time, present time, when we describe something before now, that means which has already went, which has already passed, that is past time, and which is yet to come is future time. Then we have tense. What is the tense? Tense means a verb form. Already you know present tense, past tense, and past participle. Past participle. This is not a tense. This is a verb form, which generally we use in the passives and in the have and had and has. Then the present tense and past tense are only verb forms except past participle, which is a form. It is not a future tense. So why? How we relate time and tense. Past time is related to past tense. Past time related with the past tense. Present time is related to present tense. Then how we express future time? How we express future time? Now, as we speak future from now, as we speak future from now, then this is related with present time, related with present tense verb. Then how many forms are there? There is a point. How many forms are there? One is present progressive, present simple, present progressive, present perfect progressive, present perfect progressive. Then which time these four are related with? Listen, this is already present time we know. This is also we know present time. It is the what is the work is on progress. The time the work is on progress. But what are these two things? Perfect and perfect progressive. Perfect time, present perfect tense. It is a activity completed at this moment of speaking, completed just now, but started before some time now, before some time now. Listen, example, I have cleaned this room. Room means the room is clean now. बर्तमान सॉरी सफा कर दे रूम टी को मो कोठरी टी को सफा कर दे तमे जो फोन कर आई हैव वॉश माय यूनिफॉर्म I have washed my uniform. That means I started washing something sometime before now. It is already washed and it is dry out for hanging. It is dry hang out for dry. So the room is clean now. That means it was started cleaning from the past time and now the result has come out. So this present perfect form is related to past time. Similar, the past present perfect progressive started something before now. It has not yet completed, likely to be completed after now or sometime after now. So it is also referred to past time. Then past tense, simple past tense are distinguished past simple, past progressive, past perfect progressive. These four are related to past time. Then past time related to 6 forms. One is present perfect, another is present perfect progressive, next one is past simple, past progressive, past perfect, past perfect progressive. Some of you have known that indefinite, imperfect, that means continuous. Some of you have known. Continuous means this is a continuity, past progressive, past indefinite also, past simple. So we came to know about the time and tense relation. The 6 forms of tense are referred to past time, present perfect progressive, past simple, past progressive, past perfect progressive. But only 2, present simple and present progressive, related with past present time. Now We come to the point, tense revisited. That means we came to know about the 4 forms, 6 forms, 8 forms: present simple, present progressive, present perfect, present progressive, perfect progressive, past simple, past progressive, past perfect, past perfect progressive. This is relation with present time and past time. Now we look forward to the future, express future time. The first form to express future time is be going to plus verb. Second is progressive, present progressive. Third, present simple. Fourth, shall or will plus verb. And another, have to plus another verb. Have to ଅଛି ଆଉ କାହାର ଅଛି ମୁଁ ଦେଖିନି।